This video will show you how to assemble the Garden Patio Decor outdoor bar table. In your packaging, you'll find everything you need to complete your table assembly, including the components of the tabletop, base, supporting plate, and post, as well as screws, washers, and the 2 hex key tools. As a general note, do not tighten the screws completely until all of them are in place. We'll start by attaching the support plate, part A, to the post, part B. With the post upright, place the supporting plate onto the post. Then, using 3 S3 screws, each with an S4 and S5 washer, attach the plate to the post using the T1 hex key. Once all the screws are in place, completely tighten them. Next, with the tabletop placed upside down, place the supporting plate down onto the underside of the tabletop. Then, using 4 S1 screws, each with an S2 washer, attach the plate to the tabletop using the T1 hex key tool. Once all the screws are in place, completely tighten them. Next, place the base onto the post and secure it using 3 S6 screws and the T1 hex key. Once all the screws are in place, completely tighten them. Finally, flip the table upright and level using the adjustable feet as needed. And that's it! Enjoy your new outdoor bar table, and thank you for choosing Garden Patio Decor by NewTek Wood.